Hey Brunchers, I'm Angela. Today I want to show you can customize your link for your room meetings. If you want to know more about this, keep here with me and let's go. Perfect, now I'm here in my room meeting. So let's start. How I can customize the link of my room? So easy, Bruncher. We go here, this room. You will see this option, custom URL. So click here, nice. And now you can name your room. The video before, I show you how you can use the add navigation and have different topics for your rooms about anime. So maybe I'm going to put room. Anime room. Okay. I can copy my link and share it to my friends. So I click here and you can see here now this room is called anime room. I'm going to do the same with the another rooms that I have. Video games, no problem. We go again, customize, video games room. And there it goes, video games room. Another room about movies. Follow the same steps, go here, movies room. There it goes. Another room about art. Amazing. This room have the name that I choose. Anime room, video games room, movies room, art room. See that the name is changed here too. So your friends can know what is about the room that they're going to go next. So here they have video games room. If you click here, art room, that you can customize your link, more fun with your friends. You want to know how to use all this about the add navigation, have your rooms, place it together, you can go a room to another, to the video tutorial that I'm going to leave here below. Thank you for being here, and remember to comment, like, subscribe, and share with your friends too. See you later, Brunchers. Bye.